All right, we're going to be going over number 6. So number 6 looks like this. The mayor of a city records the population each year since 1990. So 1990 is our starting point. Let me zoom in a little bit. And he has this equation to model the data. So T is the number of years since 1990, and the P is the population in thousands. So we want to figure out which statements are true. Now, whenever you guys have these square boxes, that means you're checking more than one. So there's always more than one answer for these. So let's go through these. The population was 9,400 people in 1990. Okay, 1990 was our starting point. T represents the number of years since 1990. So this is our initial value. Is our initial value 9,400 people? Well, let's look. Is this 9,400? This is our initial value. No, this is 16,800. Remember, P, it says, is in thousands of people. So if it's in thousands of people, then this 16.8 really represents 16,800. So I'm going to highlight answer choice B here. The population was 16,800 in 1980, the initial value, our starting point. Let's go to C. The population has been increasing since 1980. Well, is this going to be growth or is this going to be decay? So we look at this number here, this 0.94. That's less than 1. If it's less than 1, we're going to be decreasing. So that means the population has been decreasing since 1990, not increasing. The population has changed by 6% each year since 1990. Or the population has changed by 94% each year. This is tricky. So let's go back to this. 0.94, we're comparing this to 1. 1 is always our starting point. So if we go from 1 to 0.94, let me write this out. We start at 1. If I go from 1 to 0.94, that means I've decreased by 0.06, not 0.6, 0.06. So I'm actually decreasing at a rate of 6%. That's my change. So decrease rate of 6%. That's what I'm changing each time. We always compare what's in our parentheses to 1. Going from 1 to 0.94, I had to subtract decrease by 0.06, which is 6%. So going back to my question, that means the population has changed 6%, not 94%. So the answer there was B, D, and E is what you should have selected.